Hi, I'm Dr. Loendi here from Legit Blueprint. One of the most important assets that any online business owner needs to have is the email list. The only problem is that it's getting harder and harder to build these email lists. People do not respond eagerly to any sent emails. So you will have to create some sort of lead magnet to make it worthwhile for them to open the email and respond to the content. You for sure heard the saying, the money is in the list. This is true because this is how we make money online. Building an email list is not easy. Getting traffic is not easy. And building a bond with your audience is the key component for your online business success. It's important that you give value to your audience, that they will open your emails and engage with you. In the next 2 days, I'm going to reveal a tool that will help you to overcome this obstacle and help you building a responsive email list. I'm also going to reveal the different bonuses to you that you will be getting when signing up for this software through my link when you buy the first OTO. Since a few days, there is a product launch for this software that will solve the problem for you. This is a great software that's not a shiny object like the products I bought before. This software actually works and it will live up to your expectations. I reviewed this product already and will be using it myself. The benefit of the software, 100% cloud-based. You can open it from anywhere in the world. Highly interactive and it can be used in any niche. So look out for my email tomorrow where I'll tell you a lot more about this tool and my bonuses that you will get when you purchase this software through my link. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and I will talk to you tomorrow.